yes, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride.
All right, second workout, day 13. Got a special guest right there. Right there. Our little grand doggy, Sawyer. So, getting that workout. It's a beautiful day today. Finally warm out. So, got to get it in for the Bengals and the Titans play. So, go Bengals. All right, what's up, everybody? It is day 13, and so today I thought I would just talk about something that's plaguing me and probably most people my age, which is 46, almost 47, pain. So I experience a lot of pain throughout the day, morning, especially in the morning when I wake up, and I've got lower back pain, leg pain, knee pain, toe pain, you name it. Seems like I've shoulder pain. I think the things that plague me the most is probably feel like I've got some sciatic nerve pain and some shoulder pain here. But some things that I use, I thought I would just show you a couple things that I use that seems to help with some of that. So the first is, so I actually take CBD daily. So this is shade and sleep. And these are great because the shade, not only does it help you from a inflammation, all that perspective, but it also helps with exposure to the sun. And same thing with the sleep, really helps you get restful sleep, which is super important. The other thing is some ibuprofen. Always good to have ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is really good for inflammation. And then the last thing is the foam roller. Shout out to Naveed, who gave me the foam roller, and it actually works quite well to help work out some of those sore spots, sore muscles, so on and so forth. So I'll do the foam roller on my lower back, my legs, and just put it on the ground, and it really kind of helps to work out some of those kinks. It's almost like going to massage therapy where they work some of those knots out. But anyway, this is still the middle of day 13, but this is probably going to be the last post. So I'm going to tell you already that day 13 is in the books. I am down over 15 pounds. So I was at 234.6 this morning. So tomorrow will be more of a summary update, and day 13 is in the books. We'll see you tomorrow.